In this daily drop, it's some of the stuff that you might not remember to bring on a production, but you should. So let's go. Okay, just about a day away from leaving, and we're going to talk about this stuff right here. Now, this is part dad, part producer, and just part me in terms of being a planner. But I've learned over the years when you go on location for a production that you don't always have time to go get the little things that you might need. This is the same kind of concept as having the equipment that you need for a production. You might not use it. In fact, I usually travel with stuff that I use maybe 40 to 50% of the stuff, but I want it there just in case. Now, this stuff is relevant to me personally, not necessarily you, but you'll get the idea in terms of the stuff I have here. So pain relievers, I'm probably not going to use them, but I'm going to bring them just in case. And depending on what country you're in, these may have different names. I think you get the basic idea in terms of these. Where I'm going for both parts of my trip, part of it's family, part of it is work related, it's going to be hot. It's going to be hot and dry. So I've got some eye drops here to help with that. Also, if for some reason I don't anticipate it, I feel a cold coming on, coldies, essentially zinc, not necessarily, again, something that you would take. It works for me, so I bring some of those with me on the trip. Speaking of hot and dry, chafing can be a problem. Bringing some anti-chafing stuff. And I think I've talked about this in the past. It works wonders. It's a heck of a lot better than talcum powder and that type of stuff. Penetrex is basically for muscles and for pain. I bring this with me because you never know. And if you do get injured on a production, even if it's just a sprain or something else, then this stuff for me personally works very, very well. Again, not recommending, it's just something that works for me. And then lip balm, Gaviscon for the acid reflux. You're eating out a lot, maybe not the normal foods that you do, just in case. And then I have instant coffee, not the best stuff in the world, but it'll get the job done when you have a bottle of water and a microwave or whatever you have in your hotel room, and then electrolytes. Not necessarily this brand. This is not my favorite, but I just wanted to have it here for the conversation. You know what? Better prepared than not. It's an old Boy Scout thing for me, I think. Be prepared. Don't forget to. And to. And I'll see you on the next episode of The Daily Drop.